Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two quick prerequisites. Windows updates are applied and you made a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, verify the hardware. Physical Wi-Fi switch on your laptop is enabled and airplane mode is off. Select the correct SSID to avoid captive portals. Then open Settings, go to Network and Internet and click Status. Use the Network Troubleshooter now. It detects driver or adapter issues and applies fixes automatically, which saves time before manual tweaks. Once the troubleshooter finishes, you run targeted network resets to clear corrupted state. Open an elevated command prompt and execute ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons to refresh IPs and DNS cache. That resolves many limited access cases. Then reset TCP/IP and WinSock with netch-int IP reset and netch-WinSock reset. These restore networking stacks. After that, restart both router and PC to apply changes. And check the Wi-Fi adapt. Finish by addressing drivers and power management because outdated drivers or aggressive power settings cause limited access. Open Device Manager, update or roll back the Wi-Fi driver. If that fails, uninstall the adapter and reboot to force a fresh driver install. Make sure the adapter's power saving is disabled so Windows won't suspend it. Also inspect router DHCP scope and channel congestion. Change channel or reboot router. If problems persist, plug in a USB Wi-Fi adapter to determine whether the internal card is faulty. This isolates hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.